Good morning, everybody from Phnom Penh, Cambodia.
Good morning.
Today we are feeling much better, so finally we're going to start exploring our area here around our hotel. Our first stop today is going to be at Wat Phnom Penh, but we're going to be taking a little bit of a scenic route on the way there to see a little bit more of Phnom Penh and also to see if we can find a geocache.
There's always a lot of chaos going on around here. There hasn't been any city in Southeast Asia that's been calm. But it's good, you know, these are people living their life.
There aren't any crosswalks, and if there are sidewalks, they're completely covered by people's stores or motorcycles, so they're unusable. So we just kind of walk on the streets. And surprisingly, crossing hasn't been nearly as difficult as I expected. You just have to find a gap in the cars because cars don't stop here. Here's our little geocache.
We found a geocache, and it's another log. This time we brought a pen.
Side mission complete. Now we're gonna go back to our story mission.
Oh, I like that. We've only been out for a little bit and we haven't seen any other tourists. We went to a restaurant to see like what kind of food they had, and they looked at us like they were surprised to see us. Yeah, so if you're a tourist here, you're definitely gonna get a lot of looks.
Yeah, it seems like most people are surprised to see tourists walking around wherever we go.
Yeah, and it's like they forgot a little bit because they're like, oh, we need someone that speaks English.
There aren't that many restaurants here, and the few that there are don't really have menus. People just kind of know what's on the menu, or you ask them what they have, which is a little hard to do when we don't speak the language. But also they only have like 1 or 2 tables usually. They're really small homebrew restaurants. So it really kind of seems like Phnom Penh isn't really set up to receive a whole bunch of tourists. And something else, the tuk-tuks here in Siem Reap, it was completely full of tourists, and same with all over Thailand, they were full of tourists. But here it's mostly locals using tuk-tuks.
Here there aren't, I mean we haven't gone to the central market yet, right? Like the tourist markets, but the local markets and the tuk-tuks and like the drivers, they haven't been pushy at all, which honestly is great because that leaves us with a better impression of Cambodia, because when we got to Siem Reap, we were just annoyed with them.
We are at Wat Phnom Penh, and this is actually how Phnom Penh got its name, from this temple. Entry tickets were $1 each, and these are what the tickets look like. This is also where King Ponea Yat, the last king of the Khmer Empire and the first king of Cambodia, is buried.
There is this really big bird here. If you know what it is, let me know in the comment section down below. I don't have any internet right now, so I can't search it. All there is to see here is the temple and a big white pagoda, and it's also surrounded by really beautiful greenery and cool birds. I've never seen something like that before, and there's also just roosters walking around as if they were like temple cats. Temple roosters? Yeah. And temple birds. It's really pretty, nice and cool up here too.
There's a couple of temple dogs, and there's a temple cat over there. It looks like it's scared of the temple dogs.
Oh, its tail is all fuzzy.
We're gonna run back to the hotel so I can do a quick outfit change and get out of these miserably hot jeans. So far, finding food here, and especially vegetarian food, has been a really big struggle. Yummy didn't see anything she was interested in either, so looks like it's ramen for lunch today.
We've also been trying to learn words to say that we're vegetarian in Khmer. And I mean, these places have been pretty unsuccessful.
Most places, they just only offer a couple of items on their menu and they can't really modify them. Like in Bangkok, they would just cook from scratch and they could make it with whatever you wanted. Instead of using meat, they would use veggies. But here, all their food is kind of ready, prepared already, it seems like. So whatever they have is what you get. This place is just a complete maze.
Oh, she has zippers and stuff.
Ah, okay. Perfect.
Yay!
Yay! Pants are fixed.
Ooh, let's see. Hell yeah,
Yeah.
that's cute.
I'm so happy. All I had this morning to go to the temple was my jeans, which is way too hot. And I don't really want to be the tourist walking around in shorts either, so these are perfect.
Yeah. We went to one lady and she said that she didn't have anything, but she spoke to, because there's like a lot of, are they called tailors or like?
Yeah, tailors or seamstresses, I don't even know.
Seamstresses, yeah. So we went to one seamstress and she didn't have anything, and so she told the seamstress right across from us and she was able to help us, so yay! They wanted to help, that's amazing. Alright, now time to leave this place.
Okay, now we're gonna go to an even bigger market, the Central Market. This is very much a locals market. Everything is tailored towards locals, and we haven't seen a single tourist anytime we've been in here.
Oh no.
We're gonna go to the Central Market, which is a little bit more touristy, and we're gonna see what that looks like.
Let's go. You guys, they have Thai iced tea here. I'm so happy. I was going through Thai iced tea withdrawals.
That's why you've been sick.
Yeah, that's why I've been sick, guys. I'm so happy. We passed by the stand and Moses was like, you just want to ask them if they have Thai iced tea? And I was like, yeah, right. That's a long shot. And he was right. They do have it. Oh. And it's big. Dude, I'm coming here every day. Oh my god, okay. Taste test. I already don't feel like it. Let's see if it's different. Oh man. Yep. I missed her.
This is the happiest Yemi has been since we left Thailand.
I am so happy. Today's Thai iced tea cost 6,000 Rial or 45 baht or $1.50, which is more expensive than in Thailand, where in Thailand it was like 25 baht, but worth it.
Kind of snuck up on us, but here's the market. Now the real trick is going to be crossing the road to it.
I'm seeing a lot of girls get their nails and their hair done. I can even get some couple extensions.
Yeah.
Oh, I missed the train.
It's surprisingly fresh in here, even though it's the middle of the day and the highest heat outside. It's really nice and cool in here.
Yeah. There's also a lot of brand name items here. Wink wink. Not that I'm against it though, because I mean what I'm wearing right now is a Cartier. I bought an eyeliner because mine is wearing out. Got this for $3. There is a lot of everything here, all kinds of fakes, whatever you want, shirts, shoes, jewelry, sunglasses. Honestly, yeah, it's a bit overwhelming how many options there are. That's why I'm not even like shopping, because I know I'll just be here all day and like negotiating.
And we don't even have space to put what we buy, so.
Yeah, we don't have space, so I'm not buying anything for that same reason too. That was a really big and really cool market, but it was mostly tourists, so I can see the the difference in the pricing as compared to the old market where we're staying here. So I think with this whole jewelry, I might just buy it at the old market.
It's always kind of funny to me seeing tour groups going around markets, but there were a few tour groups that were getting led around this market to different areas. And one group even had like the little headsets, and their tour guide was talking to them. I don't know, I always think it's funny when I see that. Next we're gonna go to this mall because it has a big blue dome up there. They look pretty cool from a distance, and we could use a little bit of air conditioning.
The Toy Story Does he smell like strawberries? We binge watched Toy Story all weekend and look what I ran into. I want one of each. I also got a phone case when we were in Chiang Mai, so I'm super into Toy Story right now. It smells like strawberries. Or am I imagining it? It smells like strawberries. I finally found some more travel bottles I could put all my hair products in for $2.50, which is buy one get two. I found some alien socks.
They have a replica Independence Monument at the mall, so now we don't have to go see the real one. I was trying to get up to the Blue Dome, and it looks like it used to be in this restaurant here, how you get up to it, but it's closed and the door is locked. Not with a very good chain, but you know. Could probably bend this a little bit further. But yeah, this is as close as we're getting to the Blue Dome at the top.
They also have a movie theater here, and for the 2D movies, it's $2.50. We're trying to think of our next date night, and this is definitely at the top of the list.
We're already feeling a little tired, so I think we're gonna spoil ourselves and get a tuk-tuk back to the hotel for 75 cents.
Ooh, Mose is splurging. I had so much fun going to these shops. There's just a lot to see, and I got some really cute items. Let me show you. I don't think I've shown you yet. I got these alien socks. They're so cute. Really happy with my purchases. Today's been a fun day, and even better when I found the Thai iced tea. I was feeling sick this morning, but I think it went away. The withdrawals are definitely calming down.
We are very behind on work. I actually don't even have a video exported that's supposed to go live today on YouTube, which is our second to last day in Thailand. It's not exported, so I need to finish that video, export it, and then get it uploaded. Hopefully the internet doesn't crap out. But then, more importantly, we need to get some more water before we hunker down, because 4 gallons of water is 2 days worth of water for us.
Yeah.
So.
Look how strong I am, guys. Yeah. got the necessities. I'm carrying this big jug of water. So we also got soy sauce because we want to make fried rice really soon.
So all we're missing for fried rice is the rice, which we're gonna buy pre-made. There's a couple places here in the market. Then we also need some veggies and egg, and then we can make us some fried rice.
Yeah, I don't think we'll struggle with finding the veggies.
We like making hibachi style fried rice, which involves a ton of butter, but we haven't seen butter anywhere here. So we're just gonna use veggie oil instead. All right, let's get going. This is quite the conversation starter at the hotel elevator, so I'm kind of curious how much water other people drink normally. Welcome back to Hotel Room Cooking with Moses and Yami.
Getting to cooking, whipping and whipping.
Crisis is averted. I got 2 more videos uploaded to YouTube, but I'm thinking we might have to take a break to catch up on all the videos in Cambodia, because those are gonna be some dense videos.
In the meantime, we gonna make some food and eat. Oh, so excited.
Today we're going to be modifying a cacho e pepe recipe, basically getting rid of the cacho and only doing pepe and garlic. We can't find any cheese here, and definitely no Parmesan, so it's going to be a roasted garlic and pepper spaghetti.
Yay, so excited! Last time the food came out really good, so we'll see how it comes out this time.
And of course it's going to be spicy.
Ooh yeah, I got all the chili saved. And peep the Anchor Wat shirts! I got this at a market back in Siem Reap. Those are really soft.
We're gonna start by squishing our garlic again. And then Yemi was actually able to mince this after squishing it by just going over it with the butter knife. Okay, next we're gonna cook our spaghetti.
Oh yeah, Moses has his Torino shirt on representing the city that he kind of grew up in. But he's actually Mexican. Okay, he's not Italian.
It's my only non-black V-neck shirt that I use to hang out at the hotel. You wanna know how to piss off an Italian? I always like sampling my pasta first. I don't know why. What did you do? Yemi started doing it too. This one is a little too smooth for my liking, so it wouldn't really take to a sauce. But it softens pretty quickly, pretty nicely. It's a little crunchier than brass cut. Make you really have to bite down on it. I don't know, I could also be talking out of my ass. They also do our dishes for us at this hotel, which is really nice, especially when we're cooking more. We're gonna miss when we go back home and we don't have our bed made and our floors swept and mopped every day and our dishes washed for us. We're gonna have to hire a maid, which is really expensive in the US. Once again, we're gonna make it salato come il mare. Then we're gonna add our spaghetti. Whole, don't break your spaghetti. Now I'm gonna set this aside somewhere heat safe. Now we're gonna make our roasted garlic. Put this at like, I don't know, 1,000? 800. Then put like a healthy glug of oil.
Yeah, we never use measurements. We just put in what the heart feels like it should be put in.
Might as well toss all this in at the same time. And we're gonna add a pinch of chili for good luck.
I love garlic.
Gonna add a splash of pasta water. Now it's getting close. It's getting pretty aromatic, and we want our onions to almost burn. We want to get rid of their bitterness and just get that amazing garlic flavor.
Oh, the garlic.
And add a splash of pasta water to our pasta as well, since it's getting a little sticky. And now that the garlic is almost burnt, we have to add in our pasta.
Wow.
We get just a slight bit of color off of the chili. Nice oily pasta.
Yo, we're getting a hang of this whole hotel cooking. Work with what you got. I also love that you can find fresh ingredients here. I think that also adds to it.
If you want to plate this looking a little bit more professional, take some spaghetti, put it on a spoon, and spit. And then you're going to place this on a plate just like that. And then we can garnish with a little chili here. And there you go, that's a $20 plate now.
That looks amazing. I would totally pay $20 for this. The end product. Wow.
But since we like our portions a little bit bigger around here, we're gonna turn this into like a $5 plate of pasta instead. So throw some noodles on there. There you go.
That's more like it. Yeah, it's like cacio pepe without the cacio. Nice and spicy too. Just the way I like it.
We're gonna leave you all there for today, and we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do tomorrow. So we'll see you all then.
We'll see you later. Bye!